has been a hot minute since I've come in here and done a haul, but that is what I have for you today. This time, the haul is from Olivia Rodrigo. Firstly, I got the Guts World Tour book. I wish I could have gone to the Guts tour. Olivia is literally my favorite of all time. And here's what the cover looks like. So cute. And it comes with some extras too. Let me show you them. So there's this little card. It says like Guts World Tour, and then it has all the dates on the back. And then back here we have this poster, which is so cool. I'm getting a new room soon, so I'll hang this up. And this one says Olivia Rodrigo wants to get him back, and this is face with an uppercut. And then the other side says Olivia Rodrigo gets live. I think I like this side more. It's like so cute. So yeah, when I get my new room, I will hang this up on the wall. There also is a sticker sheet in here. It's so cute. It has like all the letters in the font of Olivia, and then like all these Guts themed symbols. Okay, then I got some mystery accessories, and I got two. It's only $10 for two, which I feel like is a good deal, like depending on the size of these. But yeah, so they're a mystery, so I don't know what they are, so I'm excited to see what they are. Bro, I got the same thing for both of them. I got patches, so they're both the same set of patches, but this one, oh yeah, they're Sour themed because of Sour's 4th anniversary, I believe. So we have this one, driver's license. It says driving home to you. The next one is this car, and then this thing that says OR. But actually, this works out because I can keep these packaged, and these ones I can actually put on something. Okay guys, that's a haul. Sorry that it was so short, but yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and the next video should be a vlog of something very exciting.